Hello, my name is Dakota and I am a new agent at C21. My first impressions of Century 21 are that the people are very nice. Dawn especially was very welcoming when I first got here, and same with everyone at the front desk, and so it was a great change of pace to other brokers that I'd talked to, like, well, I guess names don't really matter, but they're very hands-off, very impersonal, so I really like that about C21. I like people, so that's why I want to be in real estate. I really do like people. Maybe it's just because I don't want to. I want to be with people when they're making important decisions that are fun decisions, not hard decisions. Maybe there is hard parts about real estate that can be hard to make, but it's a great step in someone's life, and I'd like to be there for that. My goals for my first year in real estate are to help people, but mostly to get my first sale, hopefully soon, and then just build on all the rapport with people and hopefully get good relationships with my first clients. I love the Tri-Cities because it's the biggest small town in Washington. There's just so many people here it's all friendly faces almost all the time, and everyone knows each other, but you don't really know everyone. So it's great to meet new people, but then you always have those same friendly old faces that have been here for a long time. I think people would say I'm excited to do things, to meet new people, to help people, and hopefully that's what people would think about me. I hope that's what they take away, is that I'm excited to be with them and to show them what I know and to help them when they need it.